Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create account on Afterpay. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply gonna go ahead and open up your Afterpay app on your phone. Then from right over here, tap on this option of create new account. Then go ahead, enter your email or password, email or phone number. Create yourself password. We are done. We're gonna choose our country, which only have two options: United States, Canada. Once you've chosen that, simply enter your number, tap on continue. You will receive a verification in your number for you to confirm it. Once you have confirmed that, it will ask you to provide some personal details. Provide them some general personal details, and then once you have provided that and confirmed it, you will be able to simply create yourself an account on Afterpay likewise, and you're good to go. So that's what basically it takes. It is a very easy process. Make sure to enter the correct information for you, and that is it. So that's how you can do it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.